Welcome back to Learn English Free, where we help you excel in your English language journey. Today, I'm excited to share with you an IELTS Writing Task essay that I've written to give you insights and tips on how to structure your own responses. Whether you're preparing for the IELTS or just looking to improve your writing skills, this video is for you. Some people think that public health is the responsibility of the government, while others think that people should be responsible for their own health. Discuss both sides and give your opinion. Being healthy helps everyone to lead a prosperous life, which is significant for survival. This is the reason not only public but the state also focuses and prioritize healthcare. It is the responsibility of state, as they have resources to provide infrastructure for the best healthcare system. Here, healthy people can contribute in the development of the nation and the economy can progress. However, the public cannot ignore the self-care, as they suffer the most in case of being unhealthy. To start with the need of governments to take care of public health, the investment in providing healthy surroundings and health care for the sake of public welfare brings enormous benefits. They have the resources and authority to implement health policies, provide vaccinations, and ensure access to clean water, sanitation, and medical services. The governments start investing in the vaccination and immunization of the infants so that they stay fit. In the same way, there are free public health care centers for the adults as well as old people where they get the treatment free or at less cost in case they fall it. Apart from this, the awareness campaigns are organized by the state to make the public aware of the health issues, and they take precautions rather than being unhealthy. However, the people must be responsible to stay healthy, as if they take their care properly, then there will be less or no diseases and they will escape suffering. This will save their money, time and energy, which they can put in other areas. They can be productive and energetic further doing their daily chores and domestic tasks properly. It is not feasible for the best healthcare system to compensate if people do not have healthy eating habits. Therefore, people must take responsibility by eating a balanced diet, exercising regularly, avoiding harmful substances, and going for regular checkups. In conclusion, I think there is need of sharing responsibility of healthcare by the government as well as public. The authority has capability to provide necessary infrastructure and promote the benefits of healthy lifestyle, whereas the public can protect themselves from being unhealthy by having healthy habits. And that's it for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful and that you're feeling more confident. Remember, practice and the right guidance are the keys to success, and if you want personalized coaching to boost your scores, you're welcome to join my classes. I offer both online and offline OET, IELTS, CD IELTS, CELPIP, PTE, TOEFL training sessions, where you'll get complete support for writing, speaking, reading, and listening modules, along with detailed feedback and tips. Whether you are starting from scratch or aiming for a higher grade, I can help you reach your goal faster. To know more or to book your seat, just check the link in the description or send me a message on the given contacts. I would love to help you succeed. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for more helpful learning material. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you soon, either in the next video or in my class.